On March 31, 1922, 6 people were murdered on a remote farm in Germany. What makes this case different is not how they died, but what happened after the murders. Andreas Gruber, his wife, Kazilia, their daughter, Victoria, Victoria's 2 young children, and a newly hired maid, who had arrived only hours before the killings. Months before the murders, Andreas Gruber reported something strange. He said he heard footsteps coming from the attic. Then, a newspaper appeared on the farm, one no one in the family subscribed to. On the evening of March 31st, someone entered the property. Members of the family were lured into the barn, one at a time. Each was killed with a mattock. For days past, neighbors noticed the mail had not been collected, yet the animals were still being fed. Inside the house, food had been eaten, the fire had been kept burning. Police searched the farm, evidence was destroyed, no one was convicted. The most disturbing theory is also the simplest, that the killer had been living in the attic long before the murders. The Hinterkaifeck farm was torn down 1 year later. Nothing remains there now, but the question never disappeared: who was watching them, and why did he never leave?